Hello everyone, this is Tech Tank and today I'm going to show a PowerPoint trick, and here you can add a background to the image and still you can write. So let's get started. So you need to open your PowerPoint first and then click on the view option beside the review, and this is in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. You can do this in any other version also. So after you click view, you need to click the option slide master. After you click slide master, these all slides are going to appear, and finally you need to right click and press on the option format background. After you press on the option format background, you need to press picture text of fill, and after you press picture text of fill, you can press insert from file over here. After you insert from file, you can choose any one. Like now I have chosen this. So now you can type anything here. So yes friends, this is the slide master and you can use this as a trick in your PowerPoint to make it better. This is me, Tech Tank, signing off.